Hi, we're Avisar. Make an impact the moment someone steps up to your entryway with exceptional aesthetic details that are handcrafted with personalized care and attention. We take our door design process seriously. Our state-of-the-art painting equipment ensures smooth, consistent color, and our hand-applied stains give an authentic wood appearance that's smooth through the touch, like real wood. Other door manufacturers think a textured surface is acceptable, but when you look at real wood, you don't feel a wood grain texture, you see it. Plus, other doors may have a proud edge, and right away you can tell it's not a wood door. Our doors have a square edge, which emulates the look of a real solid wood door. We also offer premium options like exclusive glass designs installed with a silhouette seamless glass frame. A plug-free design that secures the glass with no visible fasteners or screw holes, because you just don't see fasteners in real wood doors. Unlike the other guys, we don't take shortcuts. We focus on the important details, so you're left with a high-quality, stunning door that you can be proud of. That's Avisar, the door experience simplified.